नमस्कार। आर के त्यागी, गाजियाबाद एनसीआर दिल्ली। ओम सच्ची जनवाणी द ट्रूथ स्पीक्स चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, आपका एक ही सेकंड खर्च होगा। और वीडियो को शेयर अवश्य करें, अधिक से अधिक लाइक कमेंट भी करें। आइए शुरू करते हैं। फ्रॉम आर के त्यागीज डेस्क, रिटायर्ड सेंट्रल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, गाजियाबाद, मई 24। नमस्कार, सल्यूट एंड हेलो फ्रेंड्स, माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स। It's my confirmed and utmost firm belief that writ petition to decrease the commutation recovery period by 15 years to 11.5 years, 12 years, 13 years or 128 months, whatever it may be, shall be won by we retirees, pensioners to file suit. We are making groups. Chandigarh 2 groups, Delhi 1 group, Lucknow 1 group are being under process. At all other places, phone calls are being received by me to file suit. I asked them to form groups and assemble the pensioners, retirees. State-wise suits be filed in high courts. Proper arrangement be made. It's important to note that when we form groups and filed cases on number 1 gratuity, number 2 gratuity recalculation, number 3 pension calculation and special allowance, superannuation benefits plus pension updation and revision for all the universal suits for all filed. Seeing us and discussing with our activist colleagues, other pensioners, retirees also filed in different high courts. Then senior friends, senior activists, retired unions, UFBU leaders, their staunch followers, etc. used to make mockery of ours. They used to say this all hopeless. This all hopeless. एंड जोकरिंग चीप पॉपुलरिटी एट्सेट्रा एट्सेट्रा, मजाक उड़ाते थे हम लोगों का। फेल्ट एंग्री विद अस, नाराज होते थे हमसे। आई लेफ्ट सो मैनी ग्रुप्स ड्यू टू सच एटीट्यूड एंड बिहेवियर। लीडर्स ट्राइड टू होस्टाइल अस इन मीटिंग मैनी टाइम्स इन सम ग्रुप्स ड्यू टू आवर आइडियोलॉजिकल डिफरेंस। माई पोस्ट इन ग्रुप्स on these topics, on the court cases, got big differences. For example, Mr. A.K. Nagar, All India President, AICBROA, affiliated to CBPRO, and Aiba Park, removed from his official group. I left his company, though I am member. One other General Secretary of AICBRF in Delhi also repeated same way, later added to other group. Mr. Gupta added me in other group 2 years back. That is closed group. We cannot send message but only read. But dear friends, after the judgment of Nainital High Court double bench, pensioners' belief in judicial system has been increased. Developed and established retirees are coming out and filing suits in labor courts as well as high courts. Though I tells all that our case is for all and of universal nature, we shall win our above said cases in Delhi High Court and Supreme Court also. Our other cases also be won by us. We felt boost up after Nainital High Court decision, Kerala High Court decision, and some other high courts and Supreme Court's decisions as well. Good decisions, winning decisions, and we retirees won those decisions. Mentioned All such cases are mentioned in Nainital High Court judgment and they are discussed thoroughly. These all judgments will be precedent nazir for us in our cases. Our retirees friends will get a big amount with interest in gratuity recalculation case. Be positive, feel courageous, help us to be courageous. Be involved with us and contribute which way you can. A drop in the pond collectively can turn to a big river ending to sea. That's it. Thank you. Regards, राजेश कुमार त्यागी, गाजियाबाद। तो ये मेरा संदेश था और एक और मैं संदेश आपको पढ़ देता हूँ। ग्रुप एक बनाया है इन्होंने ग्रेजुएटी रिकैलकुलेशन पर 26/5/2024 में मेरे पास आया था मैसेज। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, रिट पेटिशन पेंशनर्स कॉम्पिटिशन, उसके कॉम्पिटिशन के हालांकि 2-3 ग्रुप जो मैंने आपको बताया वो तो बन ही रहे हैं, इसके अलावा ये भी एक बना रहे हैं। आई सिंसियरली थैंक श्री के मारिया, CL कपूर एंड VK गुप्ता फॉर क्रिएटिंग ए ग्रुप नेमली कॉम्पिटिशन सफरर्स to discuss the common issue in regard to the excess recovery of pension commutation for 15 years. I have talked with a friend of mine, Mr. Rupak Bansal, an advocate in Punjab and Haryana High Court. He is ex-additional Advocate General Haryana. He is ready to file our writ petition and is very hopeful to get a stay of recovery in our case too. After stay, our case will also be attached to the main case, which is scheduled for hearing on 21st August 24. For this, we can visit Mr. Bansal's residence office in Senior in Sector 76, Mohali High Court, or any suitable place. We can meet him and discuss the further course of action. He has already taken a similar case of Air Force pensioners and successful in getting a stay for them from Punjab and Haryana High Court. The interested employees may please send their name in the group. We are thankful to Mr. ML Khandelwal for providing the Gazette notification of State Bank of Employees Pension Fund Regulation 2014. ये अलग है। बी हैप्पी एंड स्टे हेल्दी। तो ये हैं रिगार्ड्स रविंदर कपूर, रिटायर्ड SBI ऑफिसर, एडवोकेट, डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट्स मोहाली, इन्होंने भेजा है ये मैसेज। तो जो लोग चाहें, इन्होंने अपना फ़ोन नंबर भी दिया है 9815246565, ये इनका नंबर है। तो कोई अगर इंटरेस्टेड आदमी हो, इंटरेस्टेड साथी हो, तो वो इसमें अपना योगदान दे सकता है और वो केस फाइल कर सकता है। नमस्कार।